Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to customize emails when using LearnDash. The Emails tab lets you customize your various LearnDash emails without the need for a third-party plugin. To do so, hover over LearnDash MS and click on Settings. You can see various tabs here. Simply click on the Email tab. You can enable or disable certain email settings here. In these sections, you can enable or disable certain email notifications that are sent from your site. Under Email Sender Settings, you can change their content and update the from name and email from this tab. You can simply click on the Manage button to customize the email structure. You can enable or disable this switch over here. You can even edit the subject over here. You can customize the message body over here. You can configure and customize other settings here as well. The logo can be customized here as well. So let me upload one here. Once everything is in place, simply click on the Save button. So this is how you can customize emails when using LearnDash. I hope you liked this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your questions. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.
Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.